Hi everyone! So today I'll be doing a makeup look inspired by strawberries! Yes, as you can see, I've already done the base of my makeup as well as my eyebrows, and I'll leave the links to the products that I use down in the description bar below so you guys can check it out. But for now, let's get started right with the eyes. First off, for the eyes, I'm using the ColourPop Yes Please Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Bling to lighten and brighten the area around my eyelid so that the pink eyeshadow will pop later. With the NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette, I'm using the Baby Pink Shimmery shade all over my eyelid to add a bit of shimmer to the eye look. From the same palette, I'm using the Coral shade on the inner half of my eyelids and blending them outwards. From the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo eyeshadow palette, I'm placing the bright reddish orange shade Fashion on the outer half of my eyelids and blending them inwards towards the center. Going back to the eyeshadow brush that I used for the lighter shade of pink, I'm going to blend the colours together. With the same BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the shimmery fuchsia shade Anime on the center of my eyelid to create a seamless pink gradient eyeshadow look. With the bits of leftover eyeshadow on the brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line with it. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper Black. First, following the angle of our lower lash line, we are going to draw a line to extend it. Then, as with the usual cat eye look, we'll be drawing a line from the outer half of our upper eyelid, connecting it to the tip of the lower line that we just drew. But this time, we won't be starting the line from the upper lash line. Instead, we'll start a centimeter away from it, connecting it to the tip and without feeling the insides of the eyeliner. So it will look like a hollow eyeliner. It's a little bit hard to explain it in words, but you'll see what I mean from the video. To spice up the look even further, I'll be placing these pearl decorative bits on the inner corner of my eyes using the Ardell Brush On Lash Adhesive. Well, as you can see, I'm struggling to put these pearl studs with my bare fingers, so it's probably better for you to use the tweezers to help you with it. The eye look is not complete without some falsies. So here I'm using the ones from Decorative Lashes in 104 Romantic Wink, And going back to the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, I'm using the brighter coral shade, mixing it with the brighter pink as my blush. And instead of applying the brush on my cheeks, I'll be applying it across my face. For the lips, I'll be using the YSL Water Lip Stain in the shade 610 Nude Underwater. And we're done with this makeup look. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look inspired by strawberries. And I hope you enjoyed them. Bye!